Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide a pin on the Pinterest app for PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever come across a pin that just doesn't fit your interests or you want to tidy up your feed, hiding that pin is a simple solution. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, scroll through your feed to find the pin you want to hide. It could be anything. Maybe it's irrelevant to your tastes, or you just don't want to see similar pins anymore. When you spot the pin, click on it to open it fully. This will bring up a larger view and more details about the pin. At the top of the pin, you'll see 3 dots arranged horizontally. Click on these dots. This action opens a small menu with several options. From this menu, select Hide Pin. Once you click this, Pinterest will ask you to choose a reason for hiding it. This helps Pinterest understand why you want to hide the pin so it can better tailor your feed. Choose the option that best matches your purpose. After selecting your reason, the pin will be hidden from your feed. You won't see it again, and Pinterest will take note to show you fewer similar pins in the future. This is a fantastic way to keep your Pinterest experience more personalized and enjoyable. That's all there is to it. Hiding pins is quick and easy, especially with this new update. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you want to hide any pin that doesn't spark your interest or add value to your Pinterest boards. Thanks for watching.